The market's crashing, prices are insane, and your bank account, empty. But here's how I turned a market meltdown into $700 a day with AI. Let's be real. Groceries cost more than rent, and your job doesn't stretch like it used to. But the rich keep getting richer. Why? Because they use crashes as opportunities. I'll show you how you can do the same. Last year, I was stuck in a dead-end job, commuting 2 hours a day, barely making rent. Then I discovered AI tools that let me automate content, sell digital products, and generate faceless income streams. First, I audited my expenses: subscriptions, unused apps, mystery charges, gone. I saved $280 a month just by canceling things I forgot I was paying for. I used Truebill and a simple Google Sheet to track every dollar. Next, I used tools like DeepSeek AI, ElevenLabs, and ChatGPT. These helped me write scripts, generate realistic voiceovers, and create YouTube videos in under an hour. One channel now pays me $450 a month on autopilot. Another creator I follow built 7 faceless channels using AI and earns over $700 a day. His method? AI script to AI voice, stock footage, volume uploads. Simple, repeatable, scalable. What matters isn't perfection, it's consistency. That's where results start to snowball. I made a rule: 3 videos a week, every week. I batch produced content every Saturday. That discipline led to results within 3 months. Once the views came in, I layered in affiliate links, ad revenue, and digital product offers. Even if one source dips, the others keep things running. Think of it as building a financial safety net that works while you sleep. With my first earnings, I reinvested into better tools, thumbnail designers, and SEO optimization. Instead of 1 video a week, I now post 10+ short-form videos. That's when income jumped dramatically. If you're skilled at using AI tools, record your process and sell it as a mini course. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable let you earn passively from what you're already doing. Here's your 5-step plan. 1. Cut hidden costs. 2. Start with AI tools. 3. Stay consistent. 4. Monetize smart. 5. Scale it up. These steps help me survive 2025's chaos and thrive. Comment, "I'm done being broke," if you're ready to start. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crash-proof strategies.